काइंडली सिट ऑन योर मैट। आप लोगों के सेंटर पे आइए मैट के। सो फ्रॉम हियर वी ऑल नीड टू स्टार्ट। जस्ट सिट स्ट्रेट at the center of your mat. Place your both the palms above your knees and adapt ज्ञान मुद्रा और चिन्ह मुद्रा। Roll back your shoulders। आप लोगों को दोनों कंधों को पीछे की ओर खींचना है। आपकी फुल बॉडी का वेट शिफ्ट कीजिए आपके हिप बोन्स पर। क्लोज योर आईज and just observe your breathing. Don't try to control your breathing, just observe. Gently join your both the palms together in front of your chest in नमस्कार मुद्रा। Continue close रहेंगी आपकी eyes। Everybody repeat with me or repeat after 3 times Om chanting with deep inhale. Inhale first. Deep inhale again. Last time, take a more deeper inhale. Gently feel the vibrations of Om chanting. Rub your both the palms। आपको दोनों हथेलियों को आपस में मसाज की तरह मलना है। दोनों हथेलियों में कर्व बनाइए। आंखों के ऊपर रखना है, किसी तरह का कोई प्रेशर आपको आंखों के ऊपर नहीं लगाना है। हथेली के अंदर ही आंखें पलक झपकनी है। ट्राई टू ब्लिंक योर आईज 5 to 6 टाइम। ओपन योर आईज and just remove your palms from your eyes. From here we are going to start our session with few warming up exercises, and then today we are focusing on our full body. Stand at the center of your mat. First observe everybody. Inhale, raise your arms up. First raise your heels, then slowly drop down your heels, and with exhale to your right side, and then inhale again in center, raise your heels again, slowly drop, and with exhale down to your left side, and then exhale down. Everybody start. Repeat this for 5 times each side. Right side 5 times and 5 times left side. Inhale, be in center of your mat. Inhale, raise your arms up, raise your heels up, gently drop down your heels, and with exhale go to your right side. Stretch your arms upside. Don't lose your elbows like this, just stretch your arms. With inhale again center, raise your heels high, drop your heels down gently, and then left. Inhale center, drop down your arms. With inhale, again raise up, heels high, drop down your heels, right side, Inhale center, heels high, gently drop and exhale to your left. Inhale center and inhale up, raise your heels down and to your right side. Center, raise your heels up, down and to your left side. Inhale center, exhale, drop down your palms. Last round, inhale up and hold here for 5 breathing. Just look at a point. Raise your heels as much as you can possible. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Down your heels. Exhale to your right side. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale center again. Raise your heels down and exhale to your left side. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale center, down your arms. And now everybody kneel down. Just place your knees on the floor. Try to open your feet according to your mat width. Just open your feet and knees according to your mat. Try to release your foot backside like this. Release your foot backside. Don't make active your foot. Drop down your hips on your heels. Stretch your palms upside. First observe with block to block. Just inhale and raise your chest up. And with exhale, try to push your hips towards the ceiling. Wider open your feet. Repeat this for 5 times. Start everybody. With inhale, raise your chest up. With exhale, raise your hips towards the ceiling. Drop down your knees. Again with inhale, raise up. And with exhale, Parvatasana. Place your knees on the floor. Release your foot backside. With inhale, up. And with exhale, Parvatasana. Place your knees, Shashank. Inhale, Bhujang. And exhale, Parvat. Last time, in Shashank. Hold here for 3 breathing. 1, 2, 3. With inhale, Bhujanga. Look forward. 1, 2, 3. Tucking your toes, Parvatasana. 1, 2, and 3. Gently place your knees on the floor and relax in Sashankasana. Stretch your arms upside. Place your forehead on the floor. Kindly everybody try to perform. Relax your breathing. Feel the changes in your body. Relax your breathing. Feel the changes in your body. Next asana is we are going to perform yogic squats. First, observe. Stand straight. Open your feet according to your shoulder level. With inhale, raise your arms up, join your palm above your head. And with exhale, push your both knees to backside and deep down. Those who are having knee pain, Just be in this posture. You all need to bring your thighs parallel to the ground. Those who are having knee pain, everybody start. 5 times we are all going to repeat. Wider open your feet according to your shoulder level. With inhale, raise your arms up. With exhale, push your knees back side. Again inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. Hold here for 5 normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Gently. Nice smile on your face and raise up. I think everybody is warmed up now. From here we are going to perform 2 rounds of Ashtanga A and 4 rounds of Ashtanga B Surya Namaskara. Kindly observe. Come at the top of your mat. With inhale, raise your arms up. With exhale, Namaskar Mudra. With inhale, raise your arms up, stretch to upside. With exhale, you all need to fold forward. Touch your forehead on your knees or your shin bone. I have little lower back problems, so I'm not going to deep down. Then with inhale, look forward, place your fingertip in front of your toes, look forward. Bend your knees, place your palms on the floor, jump back side, come into plank pose. Gently release your foot back side, drop your back towards the floor. Don't touch your thigh and your knees on the floor. And raise your chest up, look forward, release your neck, don't create any kind of tension. Tuck in your toes and come into Parvatasana. From here, jump forward, look forward, half bend. Now full bend, and then with inhale, raise your arms up, stretch to upside. With exhale in Namaskar Mudra, inhale, raise your arms up, stretch to upside, don't bend back side. With exhale, forward fold. Place your palms or touch your fingertip on the floor. Touch your forehead on your knees. With inhale, look forward, half bend. Bend your knees, place your palms on the floor. Step back or jump back, come into plank pose. Release your foot back side. Drop your hips down off your thighs and knees from the mat. Feel a nice stretch in your lower back. Tuck in your toes and come into Parvatasana. Now bend your knees and jump forward, look forward. With exhale, forward fold, and with inhale, arms up, stretch to upside. Exhale, Namaskar Mudra. 1 round complete. With inhale, again raise your arms up from Namaskar Mudra to Hasta Uttan. This time everybody slightly bend back side. With exhale, again forward fold. Touch your forehead on your knee or shin bone. Now look forward, place your fingertip in front of your toes. Bend your knees, place your palms on the floor and gently jump back. Come into plank pose. Release your feet back side and push your hips forward. Raise your chest high. tuck in your toes and come into Parvatasana. Bend your knees, jump forward, look forward. Touch your forehead on your knees or your shin bone. And with inhale, raise your arms up and slightly bend back. With exhale, Namaskar Mudra. We complete our 2 rounds of Ashtanga A Surya Namaskara. We are going to perform 4 rounds of Ashtanga B Surya Namaskara. First 2 rounds is normal and next 2 rounds is little bit of variations. With inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, Namaskar Mudra. Inhale up, bend back. Exhale, forward fold. Touch your forehead on your knees. Now half fold, look forward. Bend your knees. Gently jump back. Come into plank pose. Release your foot back side. Look forward. Raise your chest up. Tuck in your toes. Come into Adho Mukha Svanasana. Here is the transition of Ashtanga B Surya Namaskara. यहाँ से Ashtanga B start रहेगा. Now bring your right foot forward between your both the palms. Place your left heel on the floor. Align with your right heel. Bend your right knee. Look forward and join your both the palms above your head. Come into Veerbhadrasana 1. Gently place your palms on the floor. Raise your left heel. Throw your right foot back. Come into plank pose. Release your foot back side. With inhale, raise your chest up. And with exhale, come into Adho Mukha Svanasana. This time we are going to bring our left foot forward between your both the palms. Place your right heel, align with your left heel. Bend your left knee. Join your both the palms above your head and look forward. Feel the nice stretch to your back side. Place your palms on the floor. Just throw your left foot back beside your right foot. Come into plank. Release your foot back side. Raise your chest high. And with exhale, come into Adho Mukha Svanasana. Bend your knees. Jump forward gently. Look forward. Now bend your, try to touch your forehead on your knees. And with inhale, raise your arms up and bend back side. With exhale, Namaskar Mudra. This is the normal Ashtanga B. And I think I removed the Utkat Asana from the Ashtanga B. This time we are going to perform Utkat Asana too. With inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, come into Namaskar Mudra. With inhale, bend forward and come into chair pose in Utkat Asana. With exhale, forward fold. Touch your forehead on your knees and try to push your hips towards the ceiling. Now straight your knees and look forward. Bend your knees, place your palms on the floor, gently jump back. Drop down your knees. Bring your chest down and off your chest and chin from the mat in Ardha Chaturanga. Release your foot back side, off your knees and thigh from the mat. Raise your chest in Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. With exhale, Adho Mukha. With inhale, bring your right foot forward, place your left heel, align with your right heel, join your both the palms above your head. Now place your palms beside your right foot, raise your left heel, throw your right foot back. Come into plank. Release your knees in Ardha Chaturanga. Release your foot backside off your thigh and knee from the mat. Raise your chest up. Tuck in your toes with exhale. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now bring your left foot forward. Place your right heel on the floor. Align with your left heel. Raise your arms up. Veerbhadra. Veerbhadra to plank. Plank to Ardha Chaturanga. Ardha Chaturanga to Urdhva Mukha. Urdhva Mukha to Adho Mukha. Adho Mukha to Ardha Hastasana. Half forward fold. Now full forward fold. Bend your knees. Touch your head on your knees. From here, raise your arms up. Come into Utkatasana. And with inhale, Namaskar Mudra. Everybody again in Namaskar Mudra. Inhale, raise your arms up. Down your knees, come into Utkatasana. Make sure your knees are not forward to your ahead to your toes. With exhale, forward fold. With inhale, look forward. Now bend your knees and jump to back side or step back. Come into plank. Plank to Ardha Chaturanga. Ardha Chaturanga to Bhujanga. This time you all need to place your knees and thighs on the mat. Raise your chest high and try to bring your both the palms closer. Tuck in your toes. Push your full body to back side. Now bring your right foot forward between your both the palms. Place your left heel on the floor and join your both the palms in Veerbhadra. From Veerbhadra to plank. Plank to Ardha Chaturanga. Ardha Chaturanga to Bhujanga. Again join your both the palms together on the floor. Wider open your chest and feel the stretch in your lower back. Again, push your hips towards the ceiling. Place your heels on the floor. Now bring your left foot forward for Veerbhadra. Veerbhadra to again plank. Plank to Ardha Chaturanga. Ardha Chaturanga to Bhujanga. Bhujanga to Parvata. And now jump forward or step forward gently. Half bend. Full forward fold. Touch your forehead on your knees. And with inhale, raise your arms up and bend back side. This time you need to avoid Utkatasana. With exhale, Namaskar Mudra. Everybody just try to relax in Sithil Tadasana. Keep your feet apart. Release your palms away from your body. Close your eyes and normalize your breathing. Kindly try to normalize your breathing. Prepare your body for last round of Ashtanga B Surya Namaskara. A few variations in this round. If you found any kind of misunderstanding in the posture, then try to hold and look. So kindly follow. Come at the top of your mat. And in this round we are going to hold the posture. Don't hold your breathing. With inhale, raise your arms up and come into chair pose. Hold here for 5 breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Forward fold. Touch your abdomen to your thighs and try to point your hips towards the ceiling. 1. Don't hold your breathing. आपको श्वास नहीं रोकनी है. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Half forward fold. Look forward. Make sure your back is straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Firmly place your palms on the floor. Jump back. And this time you all need to come into full chaturanga. First drop your knees on the floor. Down your chest. And now raise your knees. Hold here. 1, 2, 3. If you feel uncomfortable or uneasy, just drop your knees, otherwise hold. 4 and 5. Release your foot back side. Drop your full body on the floor. Bring your palms in front of your chest and then raise your chest high. Raise your right arm up and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Join your both the palms. Now from your left arm, raise your left arm up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Place your both the palms on the floor. Try to raise your hips towards the ceiling. Come into Parvatasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Veerbhadra 1. Bring your right foot forward. Place your left heel on the floor. Bend your right knee. Join your both the palms above your head. Look forward. Relax your neck. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Place your palms on the floor. Raise your heel. Drop your left knee on the floor. Release your foot back side. And join your palm again. Come into Anjaneyasana. Sink down your hips towards the ground. Feel a nice stretch in your pelvis region. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Place your both the palms on the floor. Come into plank. Plank to full chaturanga. First drop your knees. Otherwise Ardha Chaturanga. Release your foot back side this time off your knees and thigh from the mat. Tuck in your toes. Come into Parvatasana. Now Veerbhadra 1 from left leg. Bring your left foot forward. Right palm on the right. Heel on the ground. Sink down your hips. Join your both the palms above your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First, place your both the palms. Raise your right heel. Release your right knee on the floor. Release your foot back side in Anjaneyasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Anjaneyasana to plank. In plank, everybody come into elbow plank. Just place your elbows on the floor and make your body parallel to the ground. Hold here. Smile on your face. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Repeat 5 times for dolphin push-ups. With exhale, bring your forehead between your elbows, and with inhale, bring your chin above your fingertip. Inhale, exhale back, inhale forward, exhale back, inhale forward, exhale back, inhale forward, exhale back, inhale forward. Now drop your full body on the floor. Place your both palms beside your abdomen and try to raise your chest as much as you can possible. Feel the stretch in your lower back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. From here come into Parvatasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Gently bend your knees first. Jump forward. Come into Ardhastasana. With exhale, bend your knees. Touch your forehead on your knees. And with inhale, come into Utkatasana. Further inhale, straight, and exhale, Namaskar Mudra. Everybody just try to relax in Sithil Tadasana. Keep your feet apart. Release your palms away from your body. Close your eyes and normalize your breathing.